is very important. Your education is not just about attending classes or completing your homework. No, not only completing homeworks and attending classes. This is not the education. This is not the academics. Dear students, I am addressing you. Listen carefully. Yeah, and scoring good grades. No, that is not also academics. It's about discovering your passion, developing your skills, and unlocking your potential. As you navigate through your academics journey, you will face challenges, obstacles, बहुत सारी मुश्किलें पढ़ाई में. कई बार फीस नहीं होती है और कई बार हमारे पास पेन नहीं होता है, कभी कॉपी नहीं होती है और कभी टाइम नहीं होता है. But there are so many obstacles and setbacks. But don't let these hurdles discourage you. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger children. Are you listening, all of you? Yes, ma'am. So every great achievement starts with a single step, a single decision, on a single idea. Think about the people you admire. How many people you admire in your life? Scientists, right? Artists, businessmen, leaders. They all started somewhere and their journey was not without their challenges. There were so many challenges which they also faced in their life. But they worked hard, lot of work, and they believed in themselves. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do today. For yourself, for your betterment, right? Believe in yourself. First of all, start believing in yourself. Yes, I am something. I can do something. And your potential. Try to recognize your potential. And don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself with what you were yesterday. So compare yourself with yourself only, not with others. And celebrate your small wins. Whatever you have won today, celebrate that. Enjoy with that. That yes, I have done it. Like if you have given a small speech, that is also the point to celebrate. Yes, I have delivered a good speech in front of so many people around us, isn't it? So this is the thing, a small petty issues which we should celebrate, that we have won something, isn't it? And from your mistakes you learn and keep moving forward, right? Don't feel disheartened that I have failed in this. No, keep moving and start again your journey. Your academics journey is not just about the academics. It's about developing essential life skills, critical thinking, problem solving, communication skills, teamwork. So these skills will serve you well beyond your school years and help you to achieve your goals. So set your goals high, work towards them, and with dedication and passion. Not just like that. Academic is very important, and go for it. And never give up on your dreams. If you want to become something, go for it. Remember, success is not just about achieving your goals, it's about the person you become in that process of academics journey. So you are the future leaders, isn't it? Are you? Yes, future leaders of our country, India, and change makers, and you have the power to make the position impact in the world. So let's make a commitment today. Okay children, let's make a commitment to ourselves that we will strive for excellence, to support one another, and to make the most of our time over here. Let's work together to create a culture of learning, creativity, and innovation. Let's inspire each other. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things. Believe in yourself.